guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in to another video. This is not going to be a very big video, but it is going to be a little bit of a video. Right now, this is the first time I've been out to this car in probably, I'm going to say 4 days. 4 days, because it's been raining. I think that's what it is. Well, 4 days, I don't know. I was like, maybe it was more. It's been raining like for the last 4 days. So I'm gonna give you a breakdown of stuff that I ordered. Basically, you knew I ordered the paint. You knew I ordered the back lights for the license plate. Why that's not working is beyond me. It should be working. All of it should be working. Let's that should work off the car. There we go. So as I was saying, you guys knew that I had these here that had to be replaced. So with that said, they are ordered. I got the paint ordered, and I also ordered the complete cooling system. Basically the cables that hook up so I can do a vacuum on the cooling system, the air conditioning system. I say cooling, but air condition, so I can pull a vacuum on the air condition, and then recharge the AC unit, because when I did the front end work, I had to take the AC out, the condenser out, in order to get the new condenser radiator support in. Make sure I'm saying that right. But this is the first time I've been out to the car. So what I'm trying to say is I got all that stuff on order. Some of it, let's turn that off. Don't need hot air on. Some of it is on the way. Well, no, it's all on the way, but some of it's going to be later than the other stuff. Like I got stuff that's coming in like tomorrow. I got part of it coming tomorrow. I got part of it coming, I don't know, the 20th. And I got other stuff that paint, I don't know, like that's between the 20th and the 29th or something. I just hope it comes. Like I literally do not want to be waiting for that paint and it not show up. Like I've been with Amazon, I've been dealing with a lot of stuff not coming because of the COVID, and this paint is very important to come. I should say it's it's important. It's very important, but I mean, if I have to, I can get the salvage without it. But that also takes away from the content that I create for YouTube, for you guys, right? So with that said, I'm hoping that it doesn't backfire on me, so that I can still create content. With that said, that we are about to go on vacation here. Today is, just so I can make sure, today is Wednesday, the 9th. So by the time you guys see this, it'll be like tomorrow, possibly, because I'll throw it out tomorrow. But we are going on vacation Monday, so I will be picking up the campers Sunday from out at the wife's cousins. I'll be going out and grabbing that there and bringing it in, because we'll be leaving Monday and heading camping for 3 days. We're going for 3 days, I think it is, and then we come home with the camper, and then we go for 4 days to a hotel. We got a hotel booked for 4 days. Another vacation we're going on. So we got a lot of stuff that's coming up, and I want to make sure that everybody knows that you know, I didn't stop making content. It's just the rain has slowed me down. I basically don't really have much left to do to this car besides wait for that stuff to come in, right? So when that stuff comes in, then I can do more content on this car and get this finished, you know, because the last thing I want to do is sell some of the car that doesn't have AC, and it's, you know, I don't know, does it tell me the temperature in the car right now? No, I don't see, but we're going, we got C. I don't know what C means. I don't know. Okay, so just looking at that, folks, but I do not see a temperature anywhere that tells me what the temperature is outside. But right now it is 1 o'clock and it's probably, I'm going to say, about 28 degrees. So in Fahrenheit, that's somewhere around 70 Fahrenheit, I think. I could be wrong, but if you know, you can comment below and let me know. But I'm going to say it's somewhere around 75 Fahrenheit. But most days when the sun is out and it's not raining, it's, you know, it's 35 and 40 degrees, which is, you know, 90 degrees or 90 Fahrenheit or whatever. But anyways, with that said, you know, I don't want to sell anybody a car without AC, because I would be pretty pissed off if I bought a car for, you know, $3,000-4,000 and didn't have AC. You know, like, literally, that's the way I would be. And you're probably saying, well, is that how much you're selling the car for? The cheapest one I could find, actually, there was one that went up the other day, and a buddy is, I guess he's hurting for the money, because he put his up for $3,000. But the cheapest one I could find besides that one, and I keep on looking just to make sure that I'm in the right market when I go to put mine up. The cheapest one I could find was $4,300. Now, I don't know anything about these cars, but they must be something good. You know, literally, I don't know. If you know, comment, please let me know. Like, I don't know. I just see what the value of them are going for. And of course I'm gonna put mine up around there. Why wouldn't I? It'd be crazy not to, right? If someone's making money off of selling cars, they're gonna try and get the best they can for it, are they not? Right? It wouldn't make sense for me to try to get, you know, a ridiculous low price. Like, I'm trying to figure out how much I got into this car so far. Say $1,600 into it, and then by the time I get to salvage and that, I'll be what's the salvage? The salvage is $400. So I'd be $2,050 or something with taxes and everything and all that, roughly around there. I don't know exact, because it don't really matter to me. I'm doing this for creating content, and you know, as soon as I start making money off of YouTube, when that day does come, I won't sell my cars. I'm a car guy. I love to have cars, right? Like, you know what I mean? Like, I could get in this car today and drive it. I could get in that car right there, that Honda, and drive that tomorrow. I could get in my truck and drive that the same day. You know, like, I could drive all three of these the same day. Literally, I get in them and just drive them just for the fun of it, to see which one I felt most happy in that day. I just love cars. I love cars. I always loved cars. I always loved working on cars. I always, you know, enjoyed it. I'm actually in the process right now. Me and the wife are going to start looking to see about me going to back to school. I'm going to take automotive mechanic. I think she said it's something like 6 weeks in the class, and the rest is all hands-on. I mean, if I pass the classroom, folks, I got a lick, because I know how to work on a car. I couldn't, you know, I shouldn't say that I know how to. I know how to, but if you asked me something, I couldn't tell you. But to do it, I can just do it. You know, like, that's how I was always taught. Like, you know, when, you know, it's like changing a tire, right? I don't know what the specs call for when you retighten the tire, what the retorque is. I don't know. To me, it's hand tight. When I put my weight on it and it goes tight, to me it's torqued, right? So, you know, I couldn't tell you what the torques, and that's just it. That's where, you know, I can say, okay, yeah, no, I'm not a perfect mechanic, but as far as goes as knowing what to do, I mean, I've changed timing belts before. I've changed transmissions before. I never forget the day I took a transmission out of a 1999 Honda Prelude, and I handed the transmission to my brother. He said, "What the hell are you doing? That's too heavy, man." I said, "Man, that weighs less than your freaking leg does." Right? And it did. The transmission in the Honda Prelude, I had to be honest with you folks, I think it was probably around 45 pounds. Maybe 50 pounds. I don't know. Maybe you know the exact, but anyways, windows are all working. You know, as you can see, this one goes up, not a problem. Right, that one goes up, not a problem. And I guess I should probably do this too, right? We should might as well open the sunroof for a sec there. We gotta fly. Oh, that's only halfway. Let's open it right up here. Beautiful, eh? Beautiful. Well, gotta love that. The wife actually wants me to keep this car for her. So, I don't know. Right now is not the time. We need to make some money off these cars first and then worry about it. Worry about that. But, anyways, folks, I'm not going to stick on here. It's been long enough now. I thank you again for watching. Hopefully you enjoy the content that I do create for this car. Hopefully you enjoy everything I'm doing with this car. And if you do, you know, hit that subscribe button, follow along, hit the like button, tell me that you liked the video, tell me what I could do different. That's the only way I can get better at creating content for you, is if you let me know. So with that said, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.